you ain't living like this, you're not living right. I said it, I meant it, and you need to change your life if this is not something you can experience on a weekly basis. Facts. So I'm standing right here. Jeremy has no idea. I go, Jeremy, careful. He's looking, he's standing right next to the thing. He almost kissed it. Oh, Costa Rica. Hello, baby. Look at the nails are painted. You are cutie. Look at the nails, las uñas. All right, this is the beach that Jeremy up front gets to train on today. How effing lucky these kids are, huh? Right here in front of Manuel Antonio Beach. If you guys have not been here yet in your time in Costa Rica, this is a must-see. And I just saw a sign that they do little private flights, like small planes from San Jose to Manuel Antonio. It takes 25 minutes on a flight, or to Capos Airport, I should say, rather than like the 4.5 hour drive it would take. So if you got some money, I think it costs like 150 bucks for a little puddle jumper, they call it, and get to Capos Manuel Antonio much, much easier. Okay, you got the horses hanging out. Can you even imagine that this cove on the Pacific Ocean would be your soccer training field? These are literally the luckiest kids on planet Earth. When I was their age, I would have died for this to be my training center. Look at this. Right out of Pirates of the Caribbean. Football life. Look at this outdoor sofa and fire pit that was made. Fucking brilliant. And then right over here by Manuel Antonio National Park Beach, we have a little mangrove leading in. And as you can see, there are crocodiles in here. I'm not gonna get too close to get eaten, but somewhere in here there are crocs. If you guys see one coming behind me, let me know in the comments below, please. Say, Toby, watch out, there's a crocodile. Hopefully not, but you never know. I'll record walking away. What's cool is there's this is a little like hill. I mean, it's not huge, maybe 4 meters, 5 meters, 15, 20 feet up, but it's got some shade. You can sit out at the rocks up there. It's pretty cool. So anyway, this is my morning in Manuel Antonio with the boys training for football, and thankfully I was allowed to come as a guest and spend some time in the water. So anyway, until next time, thank you. This is not the best fucking life in the whole world. Got food table, fruit, music, hotels, everybody getting ready for the tours this morning of the national park. And here we are chilling, playing football. Pura vida. Blue skies, beautiful. All right, that's it for me, guys. I'm fucking exhausted. I just played half hour of soccer with some 14 to 15 year olds, and I'm fucking 41 years old and not built for this shit. Look at that belly. Oh, I gotta get back in shape, but thankfully for 41, I'm not too bad. Look at that though. Is this not the most paradise-like place you could ever imagine in your life? This is like Indonesia, Bali, but we're right here in Costa Rica. Oh yeah, we're in Costa Rica. This is paradise. I forgot. I thought I was still in New Jersey. I'm not. I woke up in heaven, and I've been here for 5.5 years. I am so grateful. And that's how I want to end this video. I am super grateful for all of you. Thanks for watching. Love you. Peace. The crew. Santi, ¿qué dices? ¿Cómo se dice mono en inglés? All done for the day. Eat in, rehydrate.